Welcome back. दो भी गाट बना रखा. Welcome back. Today is fighting special, so I'll be sharing one technique that I have used in different tournaments. उसका एक वीडियो भी है मेरे पास. वीडियो की क्वालिटी थोड़ी सी घटिया है, जो पुराना वीडियो है. आई विल बी शोइंग वन टेक्निक, मतलब मेरा फाइट का एक सीन दिखाएंगे. अपने को इसमें परफेक्ट नहीं होना है. द किक वी आर डूइंग नीड्स ओनली 50% ऑफ आवर स्पीड. 50% अपने को आधा स्पीड में करना है. इट नीड्स टू बी स्टूपिड, बट स्टिल इट विल वर्क. What we are doing over here is we will make the opponent believe that we will never kick, but we will kick. It is the exact same technique we used in बचपन में दोस्तों के साथ. We would say वो देख कबूतर, फिर वो घूमेंगे, फिर हम बजा देंगे. I've been using this technique in sports karate tournaments. I know many people will say that sports karate is not real karate. I agree. Nowadays sports karate is more like badminton. We are looking for points. Okay. But the technique that I am going to show can be used in full contact fighting. This works in MMA, this works in kickboxing. I'm saying any person who knows distance management and who has been in sports fighting, he will react to one of the moves in this technique, and when he reacts, you get him. So the technique is we'll use two kicks. The first one, you have to make sure it is slow and it pushes the opponent back. Let it be somewhat like a push front kick, or let it be somewhat like a side kick. Make him believe that I don't know distance management and I cannot balance myself. Then what he does is he moves back and he will come back, because now he believes that the kick is over, but it is not actually over. बंदे को लगना चाहिए कि हमने किक करी और खत्म हो गया, लेकिन कहानी वहां खत्म नहीं हुई. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. We will come back with a kick, and how it is happening is somewhat like this. फेक किक विद जीरो बैलेंस, मुझे पता ही नहीं लगेगा. एंड ही मूव्स बैक. ही थिंक्स दैट अरे यार इसको तो कुछ नहीं आता, आजा तेरे को मारूं. बट आई गेट हिम विद द सेम लेग. ही डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट. हाँ, पहले मैं बहुत मोटा था, फिर मुझे मिली कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लास. अगर आपको भी चाहिए कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लास, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. Now I know you're thinking this is sports karate, touch and pull back thing, but this can be used in full contact also. This could be a good side kick. It could be a good kick right to the face. It could be a kick like that. And the next doubt in your mind is, will the person react in this way all the time? My experience is like जब भी मैंने किया है बंदा ऐसे react करता है, because everybody is a sportsman and we understand how other martial artists think. They think in terms of distance and range वगैरह के हिसाब से ही वो सोचते हैं. तो most of the time this is how they will react, but nothing works all the time. In my thumbnail it works all the time. Of course it's a clickbait. Nothing works all the time. So we're talking about a dumb side kick or a dumb, just any stupid kick which makes the person go back and come forward because he believes the thing is over. अभी क्या होगा? When we put the leg down, we come back with a counter kick. The second kick matters. The second kick could be a side kick, could be a round kick to the face, could be a hook kick. So actually what we are doing is, we are doing a kick and we know it will miss. And when the foot comes down, it goes back, and this time we are using our full speed, full intent. So it will be something like the first kick I'll miss and the second one will be fast. So it becomes like, I miss, he's coming back. He thought that the kick is over, but actually it was not over. That leg was still loaded. Hey, Hadja. So this could be a fake round kick and a real round kick. It could be something like, the second kick has to be fast. So we need to practice front leg speed. That can be practiced very easily. Go near a punching bag or a concrete pillar if you want to break your leg. So what we do is, we just here 1 and 2. Practice the leg coming down and you're using this force to push back with as much speed as possible. Fake round kick, real round kick. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! It could be a fake side kick with a real side kick. It could be a fake side kick, hoo-yah, real side kick. Just practice front leg speed. The key is when you put your feet down after the fake thing, जब पैर ऐसे नीचे आएगा, पैर का इसी फोर्स से हम वापस जाएंगे. Practice that. Usually it works. You can try. If it doesn't work,
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
वाली वीडियो तो यहाँ पे ख़त्म होने वाली है. बाकी अगर आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट, 50% ऑफ फॉर कराटे टीवी सपोर्टर्स, हरी ग्रैब योर डिस्काउंट. और ये उसी चीज़ की थोड़ी डिटेल्स हैं, मुझे तो नहीं आता, खुद देख लो. लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज क्लिक. बाकी मुझ पे ज़्यादा ही आपको प्यार आ रहा है तो वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू कराटे टीवी वाले भैया.